Chivi, I've been testing tech for over a decade, and the number one question I get asked isn't about the latest phone or the fastest laptop, it's about AI. Everyone's talking about it, everyone's hearing about it, but most people don't actually know what it is. So let me show you something. Your phone unlocking when it sees your face, Netflix knowing exactly what you want to watch next, your email catching spam before you even see it, that's all AI. You've already been using AI for years. You just didn't know it had a name. So here's the thing about AI that nobody really explains properly. Artificial intelligence sounds super technical, but basically what it is computers that can find patterns in massive amounts of information and then use those patterns to make decisions or predictions. That's it. No magic, no consciousness, just pattern recognition at scale. Think about how a kid learns what a dog is. You don't give them a rule book, you just show them dogs. Big ones, small ones, fluffy ones, different colors. Eventually, their brain figures out the pattern. They see a new dog they've never seen before, and boom, they know it's a dog. AI works pretty much the same way. You show it thousands, sometimes millions of examples, and it starts recognizing patterns. It makes mistakes at first, just like that kid might call a cat a dog, but over time, with more examples, it gets better, and that's actually pretty cool because it means the computer is learning from experience rather than just following instructions someone programmed into it line by line. You're already using AI every day. Think about your phone's face unlock, Netflix recommendations, or your spam filter. Each one has learned from massive amounts of data, your face from different angles, what you watch, and millions of spam emails. They're all just recognizing patterns to make your life a little easier. So what makes AI different from regular computer programs? The reality is most software is like following a recipe. If the user clicks this button, then show this screen. If the temperature drops below 20 degrees, then turn on the heating. It's all if this, then that rules that a programmer wrote out step by step. It only does exactly what it's told, nothing more. It can't adapt if something unexpected happens. AI is more like playing a sport. You don't memorize every possible move. You practice, you see what works and what doesn't, you adjust based on experience. A basketball player doesn't have a rule book for every situation on the court. They've trained, they've played hundreds of games, they recognize patterns in how the defense moves, and they react. That's what AI does with data. It trains on examples, learns from outcomes, and gets better over time without someone rewriting its code every time. You might be thinking, okay, cool, but why should I care? Here's why. AI is already saving you time every single day. It's making your tools smarter, your services more personalized, your work more efficient. Understanding even the basics means you can actually use these tools better instead of just being confused or intimidated by them. When you know your phone is learning your face patterns, you understand why it asks you to scan your face from different angles when you set it up. What I found is that people who get the fundamentals aren't scared of AI. They're empowered by it. They know which tools to trust, which privacy settings to check, and how to make AI work for them. Whether you're running a business, managing a team, or just trying to keep up with your kids' homework questions, AI is becoming part of everyday life. And honestly, just by watching this, you're already ahead of most people who are still treating it like science fiction. Let me be clear, AI isn't scary, it's a tool and you're in control. And the fact that you're here learning how it works, that puts you way ahead. You've already been using it for years. It finds patterns in data to make decisions, learning from examples, like how you use it to unlock your phone, pick a show, or filter your email. It's not something to fear, it's something to understand and use well. That's AI, plain and simple. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple explanations and let me know in the comments what's one question you still have about AI. I'll see you in the next one.